Hello and welcome to Online Journalism MCM 302. Today we start our lesson 1 and we will start with understanding what social media is all about. My name is Andrew Ibbi and I'm your lecturer. First of all, let's go through the items to see what we have. We first go through the definitions of social media, and then we go to evolution of social media, classification of social media, then social media and society. Now, by way of definition, social media has been defined by several scholars, such that there are thousands of definitions of the term. But harvesting from all these definitions, we try to look at a few of them. Boyd and Ellison in 2008 defined social media as platforms to create profiles, make explicit and traverse relationships. Furthermore, another definition says social media is a set of interactive internet applications that facilitate collaborative or individual creation, curation, sharing of user-generated content. But basically, generally, the definition given by social media, at least from many scholars, is just that it's any medium that uses the Web 2.0. What then is this Web 2.0? Now, when we access the internet or when we open our computers, if we look at the days of the typewriters, you will discover that writings are just on paper and there is no form of interactivity. And with the Web 2.0, it gives you that interactive platform when it comes to you accessing the computer. So Web 2.0 is basically the term used to define the second generation of internet technology. That's after Web 1.0. It focuses on the ability to empower user-generated content and share information online. So which means the Web 2.0 allows you to interact with the computer. You don't just get information which is supposed to be a one-sided way of communication. In this case, it's a two-way communication system where you get from the computer and you have the ability to give back to different people around the world. So technology has evolved from the Web 1.0 to Web 2.0 to what is known as Web 3.0. What is Web 3.0? That is a technology that makes the internet sort of an artificial intelligence. So with Web 3.0, users are able to analyze, retrieve, and share information through personalized searches. So in other words, you use the Google search and all other browsers to be able to access information that suits what you are looking for. So in other words, the computer serves as a repository of information where you can access a lot of things and by so doing use them to suit your own purpose. And it didn't stop at Web 3.0. We have what you call the Web 4.0. What is it about? The Web 4.0 gives you that ability to move the computers from your houses, from your offices, from your hostels around. And that cannot be by you carrying a desktop and moving all around. Technology has redefined this and made it possible for you to carry such objects and move around with. Now that defines Web 4.0. So it's a technology that allows for mobility, the voice interaction between users and the machine. So before the user had to be at a desk in front of a computer, just like I said earlier, but these days you can take it around and move around with it, and there you can get whatever information that you want to get from it. So let's stop here for today. We'll continue with the materials that I will send to you so that you will go ahead to do a discussion forum, which I will send the topic for you. Have a pleasant day. Thank you.